Hello students, and welcome to your writing lesson today for editing of time order transition words and the many different spelling patterns for the sh sound. Let's start off with time order transition words. Transition words are used to link words, phrases, or sentences. They help the reader to progress from one idea to the next idea. Okay, so as a reader, when you're reading text, you may notice transition words, and they help you understand the text better because they help you progress from one idea expressed by the author to the next. But then also as a writer, if you are writing if you're writing a piece that's in time order or sequential order, you want to use time order transition words to help you as the writer to progress from one idea to another. Also, time order transition words help to build up clear relationships within the text. So it's very important both in reading and writing to build up those clear relationships within the text. Let's take a closer look. Some time order transition words are here on your screen. So you're familiar with first, next, then, after, and last. But these are also some time order transition words. Words like meanwhile, sometimes, in the meantime, during, never, immediate, while, following, once, later, now, today, yesterday. All of these are examples of time order transition words, and you see them all the time in your reading. We use them all the time in our oral language, and so we want you to use these also in your writing, these time order transition words. Take a moment just to look at the screen at these time order transition words. This is not a full list of them, but this is a pretty good start for you. All right, let's move on. So the important point to remember about time order transition words is that it helps the writer flow, and it helps it to make sense. So when you're using time order transition words, it has to make sense. You couldn't put first and then last and then next and then, because last goes when? It goes last. So it has to be over a progression of time. So it helps the paper to flow, and the use of your time order transition words has to make sense. All right, go ahead and get out your motivation writing book and turn to page 189. Teachers, you can pause the video at this time to allow students to get to page 189. We're going to read "The Carnival is Coming." All right, students, I'm going to read "The Carnival is Coming" on page 189. Step right up and enjoy the excitement of a school carnival. School carnivals provide fun for families and raise money for campus needs. Face painting, dunking booths, cakewalks, and ring tosses are sure to make any carnival a success. So how do you prepare for this special event? Okay, so we're reading this mentor text, and we are looking for the proper use of transition words, students. Starting at paragraph 5. First, select a date for the carnival. Choose a time when friends and family can attend. Check school and community calendars to ensure there are no conflicts. Be careful not to plan the event too close to a holiday so that people will be in town. Students, in paragraph 5, circle the word first. That is your first time order transition word. Okay, I'm starting at paragraph 9. Next, organize volunteers. These helpers decorate, plan games, sell tickets, run booths, work concession stands, and clean up after the carnival. Ask the volunteers to share ideas for the carnival. Students, paragraph 9, circle the word next. That is your next time order transition words. It's helping it to flow. Paragraph 12. Now, meet with the volunteers in charge of games at the carnival. Discuss the games to be played. Prepare a list of materials and prizes needed for each booth. Develop a plan to get those supplies. Ask classes to sponsor booths. These students are responsible for collecting the necessary items and working the booths. Students, paragraph 12, circle the word now. That is your next transition word. Paragraph 18, selling tickets is the next step. One option is to use armbands instead of tickets. Armbands are simpler to manage and allow entry to all games at the carnival. If allowed, pre-sell tickets or armbands to avoid long lines at the carnival. Paragraph 18, students, circle the words next step. I'm starting at 22. Meanwhile, order and purchase refreshments for the concession stand. Make arrangements for delivery and preparation of the food. Prepare signs to show costs of food items. Students, paragraph 22, circle the word meanwhile. I'm starting at 25. On the scheduled day, add pizzazz to your school by hanging streamers, balloons, and banners. Set up ticket and game tables. As you deliver prizes and materials to booths, complete the final check. Paragraph 25, circle the words on the scheduled day. And lastly, I'm starting at 28. At last, carnival time is here. Decorations are in place and the booths are ready for action. Ladies and gentlemen, let the fun begin. Paragraph 28, circle the words at last. Now take a look at the progression of time order transition words. First, next, now, next step, meanwhile, on the scheduled day, at last. Does it flow? Does it make sense? Yes, it does. This is a wonderful mentor text to show you exactly how to use time order transition words. All right, turn the page. Let's go into our guided practice on page 190. All right, let's get there. You are on page 190. Let's read it together. 1, 2, read. Have fun planning a star-spangled celebration for the 4th of July. First, choose a time and location and send invitations to neighbors and friends. Finally, plan some form of entertainment. You may choose to present a drama or to sing songs. You might ask a musician to play patriotic pieces. After you have selected the entertainment, it is time to make the decorations. Cut stars from red, white, and blue construction paper. Hang the stars from tree branches and windows to create an all-American look. First, it is time for the guests to arrive. Welcome them to your celebration and let freedom ring throughout your neighborhood and all the land. Students, did you notice something wrong with that? Something didn't flow, did it? Something didn't make sense. Let's go ahead and underline the transition words. In paragraph 2, we have first. In paragraph 3, we have finally. In paragraph 6, we have after. And in paragraph 9, we have first. So we have first, finally, after, first. There's something wrong with that, isn't it? Go ahead at this time and work with a partner to figure out questions 1 and 4 on page 190. Only do 1 and 4 with a partner and your teacher will check it with you. And then we're going to come back to finish the lesson. All right, students, I hope you got those transition words okay. I'm going to go ahead with part 2 of today's lesson. Let's review the spelling patterns for the sh sound. How many ways can you spell the sh sound? Well, there are many ways to spell the sh sound. First, we have the common sh pattern, as in the word sheep, where it's at the beginning of the word, or wish, where sh is at the end of the word, or fashion, where it's in the middle of the word. But did you know that all of these spelling patterns or letter patterns also say sh, have the sh sound? Let's look at them closely. S-I-O-N always says shun, such as in the word mission, permission, session, comprehension. Or T-I-O-N, shun. Lotion, portion, condition. CIAN says shun, such as musician, politician, beautician. CIAL says shoal, as in social, special, official. CIOUS says shus, such as gracious or delicious. TIOUS says shus, same as CIOUS says shus, but TIOUS is as in the words ambitious, cautious, superstitious. TIAL says shoal, such as in the word essential, substantial, partial. SUE, while it could be somebody's name, Sue, but in some words it says shoe. Yes, shoe, such as in the word tissue or issue. And CIENT and TIENT both say shunt, as in the words ancient, sufficient, patient. And SURE says sure, as in the words pressure, treasure, measure. Well, let's go back to page 189, The Carnival is Coming, and look at paragraph 4 and underline the letter pattern CIAL in special. Teachers, if you want to walk the students through this step, and then so go ahead and pause the video and walk them through these words to make sure that they can underline the spelling pattern in these words, and then we'll go back to the guided practice. Go ahead and pause the video at this time. All right, students, we are back together on page 190 at Freedom Rings, and we're looking for the words that are misspelled that have the SH sound, the sh sound. So we see in paragraph 5, you might ask a musician to play patriotic pieces. That's number 2 on your questions. It is misspelled. Let's go back to our example here. Do you see that musician is CIAN, musician? Okay. And go to paragraph 7, cut stars from red, white, and blue construction paper. We don't spell shun, S-H-U-N. That's usually somebody's name. So let's look at our example over here. It's going to be the T-I-O-N, construction paper. So go ahead and work numbers 2 and 3 out with a partner, and let's go ahead and wrap up the session. Teachers, you can pause the video at this time. All right, now students, it's time for you to try with Grandma's Sugar Cookies. Remember that time order transition words are used to link words, phrases, or sentences. They help to build up clear relationships with the text. It has to flow and it has to make sense. And remember, good spellers know common letter patterns and can write them automatically. They can read them and they can write them automatically. Let me tell you, knowing those spelling patterns are going to help you tremendously in your fluency and in your reading. So good spellers know common spelling letter patterns and can write them automatically, and they could read them automatically also. And good spellers also know the different sounds that go with these letters. So I want you to really study those SH spelling patterns, or the sh sound spelling patterns, so that it can help you both in your reading and writing. All right, have a go with it with Grandma's Sugar Cookies, and until next time, bye-bye.